Hello beautiful world, it's Princess Katey. Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you so much for coming here on this beautiful day to spend time with me. Today I'm going to show you what's in my box. My Goddess Provisions box, that is.
Like a bird on a tree.
Stay tuned if you want to see what's in my box this month.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
So I've been waiting to film this video with you so you guys can see with me what's in my box. I'm so excited. I absolutely love Goddess Provisions. I got the subscription as a graduation gift. I recently graduated with my BSN degree. Whoop whoop, nurses, whoop whoop. So I love this box. I love all the goodies. I love all the surprises. And today I want to open it with you. Okay, so all I've done is cut the little seal. So we are opening it together. And I just love the packaging right off the bat. I just love the little doodles. And let's see, I'll give you guys the first peek. What's in there? Alright, I'm gonna look down. Ooh. The first thing I see is Mindful Wealth Abundance Cards. I'm super excited. Abundance Affirmation Card Set. Tap into the universal law of attraction. Align your thoughts, feelings, and actions to create abundance. This is awesome. I am all about the law of attraction and having abundance come to me. Basically, the law of attraction is what you think is your reality. So if you have a depressed and dark reality, you're going to be depressed and dark. But if you have a cheery, forward thinking, optimistic mindset, you're going to attract those things back to you. I would suggest that you guys look up the law of attraction, and I'll leave some links down below. So first item I am super happy with. Let's see what's next. Ooh, I see jewelry. I've never gotten jewelry from this subscription. This is my fourth one. How beautiful. It says balance, and it's a piece of unakite or unikite made with a nylon cord that's super strong. I really like it. Oh, it says Mama Made with Love by Sam. Can you see that? It's handwritten. Evidently she's a mama. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much. I think it's gorgeous. It's a little unakite teardrop. I hope you're able to see that. That's beautiful. I love unakite. It has like a green, mossy, orangey effect to it. You can see the rock. I love the teardrop shape. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, Sam. Alright, what's next? I see something in a tin. Ooh, I think it's a candle. Goddess Collection. Cottage Wicks. Abundance Ritual. Ooh, and on the top it has all of these runes on it. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my god, it smells so good. And I see crystals, guys. Look, there's like little bits of herbs. And I see crystals poking out of it. I see some pyrite. And I believe a little piece of quartz. It has like a citrus smell. I wonder what the smell is. I really like this. 100% natural soy. CottageWicks.com. And I'll link everything down below in case you guys are interested in getting a box or finding out who each one of the manufacturers are. You can just find out who these guys are and buy just the candle. I'm so excited to burn it and see what kind of candle goodies are in here. There's a cheat sheet, and there's a cheat sheet in the bottom I'll have to look at that tells you what all the products are, their names, what's in them. So there's a couple more things. I see some things wrapped up. Alright, let's break into these. I'm going to go for the first thing I see wrapped up. Ooh, it's an essential oil. If I can open it. This is what I was afraid of. That's why I pre-opened the box. I was afraid I wouldn't be able to open things on camera. Oh, it's called Abundance. It says draw in money. Let's see. Draw in cash money and abundance opportunities. I'm all about drawing in that money. I have declared that my mailbox in front of my house, it is a check receptacle. I learned that from Christian Witch. Shout out to you, girl. I used to think that money was evil, and it can be, but money is appropriate. Money is needed to pay our bills. Money is needed to survive. So I changed my thinking about money. I'm going to make a video about that. I changed the way I thought about money, and money just started coming into me. And one of the things I said is, it is safe for me to receive. It is safe for me to accept money, gifts, cash, work. Bring on the money. I'm really excited about this. Alright, what does it have in it? Essence of green calcite, amazonite, nephrite jade, blue apatite, and olive jade. It's preserved in organic vegetable glycerin and distilled water. Oh, so this is gem essence. This isn't even an essential oil. This is some type of liquid that has been soaked in crystals. Gem essence created under a full harvest moon. Thank you. Thank you so much, Goddess Provisions. I am super excited about this. Let's see how it smells. I'm super excited. Okay, vegetable glycerin and water. That was the liquid it was created in. You know what it doesn't have? It doesn't have an odor. It's not really like a perfume. This is more like, oh, I spilled a little. This is for like an abundance ritual. So my favorite time to do an abundance ritual is at a new moon. That's my favorite time to draw money to me. Well, I just put abundance all over me, ladies and gentlemen. And I say ladies and gentlemen because there's some boy goddesses out there, if you feel it. You know, the boys can totally buy one of these boxes if you're into it. Alright, there's a few items left. I'm going to go for the next wrapped item. It's my crystal. So every month you get a crystal, and I think a little tiny piece of it fell off, but it's okay. Look what we got. It's a beautiful piece of quartz. A beautiful quartz cluster. This is beautiful. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. I'm really satisfied with the crystal this month. It's a beautiful size. I mean, look. Boom. Third eye chakra on fleek. I'm really feeling this crystal. Thank you so much. I am going to cleanse it with my sage. I'm gonna light my smudge stick, and I'm gonna put the crystal through it to purify and cleanse any energy that's been absorbed from wherever it came from. And I'm gonna make a video about that in the future. If you guys like this crystal and are interested in this box, I'm gonna put everything down below for you guys. Okay, what's next? One last thing, and then I see the cheat sheet, and I'll read everything off at the end. Room boost. Ooh, I'm excited. Aromatherapy. Oh, and it's called Abundance. I don't know if you could see that. Oh, I'm super excited. What's in here? It's made with distilled water, and it has organic essential oils of patchouli, cinnamon, cardamom, bergamot, clove, frankincense, vetiver, oak moss, and jasmine absolute. I'm so excited. What's it smell like? Oh, can you smell that? Oh, I love it. It's not super feminine. It's actually it's unisex. There's kind of like a little masculine tone about it. I really like it. It's really earthy, and I wish it was a perfume. I kind of want to wear that on myself. I can make this myself because it tells you all the essential oils that are in there, and I have all those oils. I can essentially make this essential oil perfume. I can make a video about that too, guys. So let's see what everything was on there. This is a little cheat sheet, and it always comes with like a beautiful piece of art. I really enjoy their cheat sheets. I save them because then I can look back and see what purchases I've gotten and like what products I'm using if I want to know what they are. So the first thing was the Mindful Wealth and Abundance cards. I'll just show you the cards. Use this deck of cards to help develop a positive money mindset and to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions to create more financial wealth. January is all about attracting money. It's the first month. It's ruled by a sign that's the best for businesses. Capricorn, whoop whoop, you're a good businessman. You like your money. You like to save your money. So January is a great time for that. I am loving this box. Next they have, they call it, what? Adorotherapy. Adorotherapy Abundance Spray. Spritz this aromatherapy blend throughout your creative space to enhance self-confidence and to ground your intentions of abundance and success. Thank you. Oh, maybe that's why I feel a little masculine. This is very grounding. I like it. It's very earthy. The next is the necklace. Wear this stone of vision and balance to help you release spiritual or psychological blocks around money. Oh, so it's a money stone. I'm really loving this box. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. I am all about saving that money right now. I did a no spend, and this was already a gift, so I didn't buy this. This was a gift. But I did a no spend this month where I try not to spend any money, and this is great. I still feel like I got goodies. So you can buy a subscription box of this and have it come in when you're on a no spend and you feel like you just went shopping. Next up is Root and Sky Abundance Gem Essence. I love this product. This essence was charged under the harvest full moon and is infused with prosperous crystals. Take 3 drops directly on your tongue. Or add to your water to call in money and success. I rubbed it all over me. Oh, I don't know if I like the taste. Okay, the next thing is the Cottage Wicks Abundance Ritual Candle. Bring fire to your creative pursuits. With this soy candle scented with orange and ginger essential oils and adorned with herbs, pyrite trips, and a citrine crystal. It's citrine. I thought it was quartz. As you can see, you can't really tell, but I knew it was a citrus smell. Look in there. It smells so good. And the last time I got a candle from Goddess Provision Box, it's a good candle. It smells really good. And then lastly, the quartz cluster. Where did I put my quartz at? Yeah. Powerful manifestation stone that transmits negative energy. Each point is like a beam of light radiating vibrancy. Place this on your desk for success and good fortune. Super happy with this. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. I hope you guys got an idea of the types of products they have. Like I said, there's around 5 to 7 products, and they're vegan and cruelty-free, and they make you feel good. I'm not vegan, but I do respect vegan products, and I respect that, they don't harm any animals. I love my animals, but I love me some meat. Don't hate. And like I said, every month there is a crystal, there are spiritual growth tools, aromatherapy, superfoods, tea. I love the tea. I'm a little bit sad there wasn't anything to eat in this box. I tried eating my abundance gem essence oil. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for staying to the end and watching this video with me. I understand your time is super valuable on this beautiful day, and I just want to thank you for spending time with me. I hope to get many more videos up, much more content, so I can teach you guys and share with you all that I know for free. And I just want to close this video with this beautiful necklace I got a few years ago from my hubby. Thank you guys. See you next time.